Welcome to my channel. Friends, wall painting, often referred to as wall decor or wall art, involves the application of various colors, designs, patterns, or artistic elements to the walls of a room or space. It is a form of artistic expression used to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the walls and overall ambience of a room. So in today's video I am presenting you wall painting designs. Friends, this process typically involves selecting paint colors, choosing a design or patterns, and applying the paint to the walls using brushes, rollers, or other painting tools. Wall painting can range from simple single color application to intricate murals and designs, depending on the desired effect and artistic vision. Friends, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Friend, these ideas are very beautiful and amazing. You can apply them in their homes for walls of living rooms, bedrooms, and drawing rooms. Friends, painting the walls adds colors and visual interest to a space, transforming it into a personalized and visually appealing environment. Different painting techniques and designs allow individuals to express their personal style and preferences, making the space uniquely their own. Friends, colors and designs can influence the mood and atmosphere of a room. For example, bright colors might create a lively and energetic atmosphere, while muted tones can evoke a sense of calmness. Friends, intricate wall paintings, murals, or designs can serve a focal point within a room, drawing attention and adding depth to the overall decor. Friends, it is important to prepare the wall surface adequately before painting and choose the appropriate type of paint based on the wall material. For example, drywall, plaster, bricks. Additionally, considering lighting and other elements in the room is essential to ensure the desired effect of the wall painting. Wall painting allows for customization, aligning with the overall theme, decor, or purpose of a particular space. Friends, please share this video to your friends. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.